The 2 members are left already. So about Outlook troubleshooting. So what is the first issue is unable to send or receive mails. So a client or a user put a request, a issue. So is saying that it is I'm unable to send or receive any mails. Okay. So you receive that as a support. Okay. Then what are the things we have to do it? Okay, so guys, any troubleshooting start with the questions like what are the different things. Okay, first thing is make sure that is your internet is working or not. First, we have to ask in your laptop where is this Outlook is configured. Is that laptop having internet or not? Without internet, you can't send or receive any mails, right? So internet is there or not. If internet is not working, so it is internet related troubleshooting. Okay. So first is it have to resolve the internet. Then we have to check working or out and sending and receiving is there or not. Right. So next, internet is working. So laptop they can able to access the google.com, facebook.com. So then internet is working. So you have to make sure internet is working or not. Internet is working. Means it is related to the Outlook application, configuration, password, or mail server related issue it is. So we'll see with the configuration. In Outlook, so if it is manually configured, so definitely in Outlook configuration is there. Outgoing mail server configuration, incoming mail server configuration. Anybody changes this configuration and their port numbers, server names, server IP addresses, SMTP port number or a incoming mail POP3 or imap port numbers are changed. SSL TLS selection properly done or not. Anything is changed from the last. Till yesterday it is working, now it is not working. Meaning is maybe the Outlook configuration is changed. So you have to check, ask them to check any configuration is changed. Okay. So then check the configuration of your Outlook outgoing mail server, SMTP configuration, incoming mail server. Okay, their protocols, server names or IP addresses, protocols, port numbers, and encrypted mail communication use SSL TLS selections. Next one is any change of password. Maybe people will change the password, so they log into this. Recently, they changed the password of their account password. Mail account password is changed through webmail or different ways. Okay, so the mail password is changed. So then that is not updated into the Outlook. If it is not updated in Outlook, so obviously can't log into your Outlook and can't able to send and receive mails. Outlook is showing your old mails, but new updated mails password is not applied. Then we ask the user to log in through webmail. Okay, if your webmail is possible, then we ask them to access through webmail. What is the username and password? Is the same password as earlier or changed password it is? You successfully log into the webmail and check the and you can able to send and receive mail through webmail. So then we can understand it is not a mail server issue or maybe not any account related issues. It may be a password issue. So we should go to the Outlook configuration and we should update the new password. If password is changed, we have to password. Sometimes password will be expires, like your bank account passwords. Okay, after a certain period of time, like after 180 days or 1 year, the login pins or maybe passwords, account internet passwords will be resetted. So its password will be expired like that. Your Active Directory passwords, mail account password age is also there. After a certain period of time, the password is also expires. How to check it? First, we ask the user to log in as a webmail account. So password is able to log in means password is not expired. Is unable to log into the webmail account, then maybe a password is expired. So we should contact the mail server administrator. This particular user unable to log in, maybe the password is expired or password is reset. Ask the admin to reset the user password, and what is the resetted password, you will have to inform to the user. So ask them to um, put a new password to access. Once he successful access, okay, then we'll change the password at Outlook. Okay, this is the password may be changes. Okay, either password is expiry or user changes his password. Okay, password locked. User account is sometimes locked also. What is the thing again? Okay, simple to and password related. It is ask them to web login. So make sure that is able to log in or not. Is unable to log in means are these scenarios will apply. So we change the password. So with a new password, ask them to log into web login, successfully login. Then we'll go into change the Outlook configuration. In Outlook configuration, we'll change the password also. Okay, that is password changes. So here I have written that those things. Okay, fine. Next, Outlook configuration is not changed. It is there like that only. Nothing changed. Everything is given information in Outlook configuration is good. And user also can able to log into the webmail. Okay. So this it's not a password issue. What is the another possibility? As he said, here it is the last one scenario said now whenever my mail box is full, I can't able to send and receive mails. Okay. So what is the mailbox size right now? So what is the mailbox size, given size, and what is the how much size is utilized? Okay. So I shown my mailbox size, right? So it is around 50 GB and it is utilization is very less, 1.4 GB only. Okay, 1.4 GB only total utilization. Both sending, receiving, junk mails, everything combined 1.4 GB. For example, my mailbox size is, I have a one Gmail account because that Gmail account I attached to my mobile. So what happened? All my mobile phone, like photos and WhatsApp, everything is occupied that one. It crosses 15 GB. So they given total 15 GB is free space. That entire 15 GB is full. Okay, now I can't able to send or receive any new mails because of mailbox is full. Then what I have done, so I paid some extra money to get more space. Totally 30 GB I am getting right now. So I got a free space, so then I can send and receive mails. Okay. So check the mailbox sizes. If mailbox is full, so user cannot send and receive mails. What to do? Okay. Ask the user to delete any old mails, unused, unnecessary mails, old mails, sent mails, bin or a trash. So empty the trash or bin. So then he will get a more free space in the mailbox. So then he can able to send and receive mails. Or increase the mailbox sizes if possible, but that need a escalation means only the mail server administrator can able to do it. We can't do it as a L1 support engineers. We can't do it. So only the administrator. So we have to request the administrator based on the user profile. the mailbox possible increment is there. Okay. Or ask the user to configure in a POP3 so the mails will store inside his system. One more is there. That is called a POP3 kind of stuff. Your C drive is full. Your C drive is full. In Outlook, where is the mails are stored? In the C drive only by default. And your C drive is full. What to do? So through web, you can able to send and receive mails, but from your Outlook, you can't able to send and receive new mails. So why? Because of your C drive is full. So remove the unnecessary data from your C drive or transfer the data from your C drive to other drives. So make sure you can make some free space in the C drive, so then you may able to send and receive mails. These are the Outlook related issue, that is unable to send and receive mails. See what are the things we can do once again, guys. One is first check the internet connectivity. If no internet means you can't send and receive mails. Okay. So if internet is working or not. Internet is working means we'll go with the other things. So is your Outlook configuration is changed. Outgoing mail server, incoming mail servers, usernames, passwords, server names, protocols, and port numbers, encrypted certificates like SSL, TLS kind of stuff. And one more, because you're using encryption, compulsory time synchronization. Time is properly configured or not. So that's the final step. Okay. And next is password is changed. Sometimes account password is changed, or maybe password is expired, or account is locked. Ask the user to log into webmail. Is able to access through webmail or not. Okay, is able to access webmail means account password is correct. Is it same password is using from earlier also? Same password means it's no problem. But if we recently changed password, but that password is not configured in the Outlook, that it didn't change the password in the Outlook. So we have to connect to Outlook go to Outlook configurations, and we have to change the password there. Okay. Next is the mailbox. So user able to send mails through webmail. Is able to log in. Okay. And so it is password is working and account is active. Okay. So thing is maybe the mailbox size is full. So sometimes user may also knows what is his mailbox status. What is how much mailbox is given, total size, and how much it is utilized. It is fully utilized means 100% full. So that also user cannot able to send and receive password. So we ask the user to delete his old mails or unnecessary mails, sent mails, and mainly trash or bin mails, spam mails, also spam mails. Ask them to delete it, so then mailbox size maybe gain something, and once mailbox size got a certain free space, ask the user to send a sample mail so he can able to send or receive. Okay. And next, is able to send mails through our webmail, but not with the Outlook. So one is this, ask the user to check the C drive where the mails are stored. So C drive is full or he has a more space. Okay. If C drive is full, ask the user to delete certain unnecessary data from C drive or transfer the data from C drive to any other drives. Then make the C drive space is full, empty, and then gain more free space in the C drive. Ask the user to do some test mailing. Okay. If nothing works, escalate the issue. Okay. It is most probably server related kind of stuff. Most probably server response related. Is same issue for only one single user or for multiple users? So multiple users means it's server related guarantee. If for single user means we have to check with the account status with the server administrator. Okay. So this is unable to send and receive mails troubleshooting steps. Okay, understand guys? Most common question is. And the last one is in an Outlook. There is one more is there. This is a common troubleshooting of application related troubleshooting. Yeah, so user said application is unable to open Outlook application. Outlook application is keep crashing. Okay, an application is keep crashing or not able to open. Okay, not able to open. So in this case, it is application related troubleshooting. Any application, not only Outlook guys, any application, the troubleshooting steps are there. So you have to ask the user, is it only this particular application, only Outlook application or remaining applications? If it is Outlook, you can also ask what about the other Microsoft Office application, like is Word, Excel, PowerPoint applications are working or only Outlook is not working. Okay. Or other applications, like maybe he has a Chrome browser and maybe a VLC player. Okay, like that. Any other applications also facing an issue. Okay, so this is we should ask. Second, maybe multiple applications are affected. Possible that is a virus. So ask the user if he has any antivirus in the system. Ask the user to scan the system with any antivirus. By default in Microsoft, we have a Microsoft Windows Defender. Scan with the Windows Defender. If the user having any specific antivirus, scan with an antivirus. One is. Second, sometimes an applications may not function or may not load it properly. So ask the user to log out and log in from the system. Maybe application works. Only this time he is getting a problem means try ask the user to log out from the system and log in. Like user sign in, sign out or log in, log out. Okay. Next is restarting the PC. So ask the user to restart the PC. After restart, log in and try to access an application. Next, go to the control panel, programs and features. You can find Outlook. So I'm going to try to show that one. Control panel. In the control panel, go to programs or programs and features. There you can list out its Outlook means it is Microsoft Office related or any other direct applications also. Okay, tell them or right click on an application, go to change or modify or repair option. You can find online and quick option. Select online repair, click repair and wait for some time. Okay, wait for some time. Okay, click a. So go to control panel, programs and features. Right click on Microsoft Office application. Okay, then click on change. Then select repair in that one online repair. Click repair. So once it is okay, it will take just some time. So after repair completed, ask the user to his application is working or not. If it is different application, it's not Outlook, it is maybe a different application. For different application, what to do? So same thing, right click on, go to control panel, programs and feature, go to that application, right click, check any change, modify, repair options are showing. Go to that any of these options and try to locate where is the repair option. Click on repair and start repair. So after repairing, check the application is working or not. Okay. If repair is not working or repair option is not there or maybe repair is not working, you can also uninstall that application. Uninstall the application, restart your PC. After uninstallation, compulsory you have to restart the PC. Because after application uninstallation, still that application related temporary data, prefetch data, as well as the registry settings also available. So immediately you can't install the application. So better to restart your PC. When you restart, all these application related temporary data, prefetches as well as the registry also will be clean. Once you are restart your PC, reinstall the application. So uninstall the application, restart the PC and install the application, and now check the working on that. And also we can do these things. Okay, clear the caches, like go to the percentage, temp percentage, remove data from percentage. Okay, select all the data in the uh, temp and delete it to permanent delete. Okay, shift delete, and also go to temp in the run. So in the go to run and type percentage temp percentage, remove the data from it, and go to temp and also do it that one, and prefetch. Also remove data from the prefetch data also. Okay, and also you can try to go to the C drive, go to this PC, C drive, right click on the C drive properties, right click on the C drive, go to the properties. In a old Windows 10, it shows disk cleanup here. That option is changed now. So you have to go to search and type disk cleanup directly. This disk cleanup will clean up your all temporary files, prefetched files, as well as thumbnails, like that. It will be deleted. Okay, select everything and click OK to clean the temp files. Maybe it will work. This is another maintenance. And scan your system with any antivirus. Use malware bytes to scan your registry. So then in any registry, if you have any trojans, malwares, spywares are there, it may be control your system. Okay. If only one application issue, that's a different. If multiple applications also not responding properly, so you can reset the system. You can go to the settings. There you can go to the recovery option. Recovery. In the recovery options, you can find reset this PC. You can also try troubleshooting also. Fix problem without resetting your PC. This one we can try it. Another one is fix problem using Windows Update. If both are not working, then go to the reset this PC. You can directly go to reset this PC. Guys, only reset this PC will do it if system not at all functioning properly. System is turning on, voice is loaded, but application not responding properly. Your C drive is always full. Even you delete lot of data from C drive, it's still showing a full. And system is dead slow, even though you are not running more applications. So what to do? You can reset this PC. In the dead situation only, in the final situation only, we do reset PC, because resetting this PC will take longer time, at least 3 to 4 hours minimum time. Complete full charging is required, compulsory power is required, otherwise system will die in middle. Okay, so that's very dangerous. So better keep okay. So as a last option, reset this PC, and you can keep your data. It will give you two options. You want to keep your data, or you want to remove everything. So you can select keep your data. Your applications settings will be removed. OS will be reloaded. OS will be reloaded. Your applications and settings will be removed. Data, we can keep your data. If you say remove everything, means data also removed, operating system will be reloaded. Or otherwise you can go to the advanced startup, click on restart now button, then it will take you to the advanced startup thing. There you have to select troubleshoot, advanced options. Under troubleshoot, you can find advanced options. In that one, you can find reset this PC. It will show troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot, it will show reset this PC option. You can try it. Okay. So these are the options you can find. Okay. And also you can use like a CC cleaner application, C cleaner application. There you can go to the registry option, clean the registry also there. Sometimes registry mismatches also causes application not working. So this is Outlook application is not working. And also you can say application, any application is not working. Also same kind of troubleshooting. Only thing is here it is a Outlook is a Microsoft related. I mentioned Microsoft. If different application, we can mention different application kind of stuff. Okay. So this is your Outlook application not working. Okay. Outlook troubleshooting, two issues I mentioned. Guys understand? Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. It's already 5:17. So what to do next? If I start anything, it take at least half an hour time. Okay, no problem. Just I need 20 minutes. Okay, so at least I will complete one more